Hello and welcome. In this demonstration, we're going to build a WhatsApp intelligence system. We'll show how to integrate a large language model with WhatsApp using Apache Spark and Kafka as the real-time processing engine. Here's our setup. On the top, you can see a standard WhatsApp web interface open to a group chat called Identifies. This will be our user interface. On the bottom, we have a terminal in our IDE. We're about to run a Spark submit command to launch our data processing application. This command tells Spark to run our Python script WhatsApp LLM Spark.py, and it also includes the necessary packages to connect Spark with Kafka, which we're using as our message bus. Okay, let's execute the command. You can see the logs scrolling as Spark initializes. It's resolving dependencies, setting up the Spark context, and getting the executors ready. This is a structured streaming application, which means it's designed to process data in near real time as it arrives. And there we go. The application is now running and waiting for data. The console output shows a table schema with columns for group name, question, and LLM response. This means our Spark job is successfully listening for incoming messages. Now, let's test it out. I'll go to WhatsApp's chat and send a simple message, "Hello." As soon as I send it, watch what happens. An AI persona immediately responds in the chat with, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" If we look back at our terminal, we can see that batch 1 has been processed. Our Spark application captured the group name, Identifies, the question, "Hello," and the full response generated by the LLM. This confirms the entire pipeline is working. WhatsApp, Kafka data stream, LLM, Spark, WhatsApp. Let's ask a more specific question. I'll type, "Who are you?" This tests the model's ability to provide specific, pre-configured information. And we get an instant, detailed response. The AI identifies itself as Dinesh Kumar Selvaraj, an expert in big data engineering, LLM, and so on. In the terminal, we see batch 2 has processed this new interaction, capturing both the question and the detailed answer. Finally, let's ask a complex technical question to see the LLM's true power. I'll ask how to control agentic AI with custom dataset. This requires a much more structured and knowledgeable answer. As you can see, the AI provides a comprehensive numbered list covering key steps like data quality, data processing, and model selection. Our terminal logs confirm this entire conversation is being processed in real time by our Spark application. This demonstrates a powerful and scalable architecture for creating intelligent, real-time conversational agents on a familiar platform like WhatsApp, all powered by the robust data processing capabilities of Apache Spark. That's it. Let's meet again with new AI insights, where data engineering meets AI.